la 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 la. La 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 la. Hi ladies, I want to go ahead and sit down and share with you some more products that I have picked up. Yes, I do have my PJs on with pearls. Why not? I mean, really, why not? Y'all, I want to show you a cute little pair of slippers here that I got too. Aren't these adorable? They're little rabbits. I love bunnies. I just love bunnies. They're so cute. I think they're little mucklucks. I'll go ahead and list them down below for you. And I'll list the little pajama set here that I'm wearing. It's super soft. I mean, super soft, super, super cozy, super cozy. And I'll list that down there for you below as well for y'all. Good grief. I hope this video goes better than the other ones have been. All right. So Nordstrom's had one of their where you buy two mascaras and you get the third one free. I went ahead and picked up my absolute most favorite for my bottom lash line only is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I love that one. So I bought two, got one free. And then I went ahead and got my absolute most favorite mascara. It is the Chantecaille Faux Cils. I love this stuff. It is really pricey, but when you can buy two of them and you get one free, I mean, it definitely cuts down on the cost. So yeah, I mean, anytime Nordstrom's has that little event that goes on, I will definitely be picking up my Chantecaille. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and try this. This is called, this is by Kiehl's, and this is called the Butter Mask for Lips. Somebody was talking about this and about how wonderful it is, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm not going to open it just yet because I'm trying to finish up something else first. I have been on the hunt for the perfect water line for my top lashes only. One video I had gotten several of you ladies that were like, try this, try that. So I got the Marc Jacobs, and I also went ahead and picked up, this one is by Maybelline, and this is called the Tattoo Studio liner, and it looks like this right here. So I'm going to give that one a try, and I think with all of the recommendations, I'm going to be able to find something that's going to stay up there in that water line and not migrate down. From Sephora, I went ahead and picked up, this is by Fenty Beauty, and this is that the lip gloss set that she has. I love her lip gloss, the formulas of it. So there's 5 of them in here. Aren't these adorable? I love that pink. Look at that pink right there. So I think these are going to be really pretty, really quick, easy, you know, or you could either do little stocking stuffers or whatever, but the fussy, I love the fussy one. It's beautiful on. So anyway, I want to go ahead and pick that up. I thought this little tin would come in handy for some little whatnots or, you know, little gadgets or whatever. Okay, Kerastase came out with a brand new hair product, and this one is called Nutritive. And it is an 8-hour magic night serum. It's supposed to just kind of, it says an overnight nourishing serum for dry hair. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. The product looked really, I mean, the information on it looked really, you know, intriguing to me. Big glass bottle here. So let me, oh, it smells, I think I pumped this out just on my hand. Comes out in just like a little cloudy lotion. Cloudy color lotion there. So I do want to give it a try. I love the Kerastase Initial Lease. That is fertilizer for your scalp, and it will give you some beautiful hair. Healthy scalp, healthy hair. This smells really, really good. So I'm excited to try this and see what kind of results I get. All right, Surratt. Now, goodness gracious, I've got cat hair or something up my nose. All right, Surratt has got my absolute most favorite eyelash curler. Now I want to share with y'all something because I went ahead, I think I put my old one is in the box here, and I went ahead and busted out the new one. Yeah, so this is my old one and this is my new one. Okay, not all eyelash curlers are the same. And if you've been with me for a while, I've showed you this. If you haven't, just kind of bear with me here, and I'll kind of go through a couple things with you here. All right. If you are wanting an eyelash curler that will definitely get in there and get your lashes curled, you need one that has got a small bar. What I'm talking about is this bar right here. See the size of that bar compared to this other one. See how bigger that other bar is? And even if you look here at this one here, look how much bigger this bar is than that one. See the difference in the size of the bars? One of them is much more wider, taller. What happens is that if you get the regular, you know, some of them are even bigger or whatever, but when you try to go in there and curl those lashes, that bar ends up hitting your orbital bone there, and that's why you can't really get in there and get a really nice curl. That's why I like the Surratt really well, because it gets right in there. I mean, it can just, I mean, hover right in there above, real close to that lash line. So I wanted to go ahead and get me a new eyelash curler. I don't know why I still have these. No, I do know why. It's because this one right here has got little blue rhinestones on it, and this is pink. So anyway, there you go. That's what I do. But I need to go ahead and toss those because I never ever reach for them. Okay, oh, let me show you some cute little socks here that I got from QVC. And these are by Muck Lux. Ladies, I love, love, love these little socks. These are saying that they're enriched with jojoba oil. Ladies, these socks are so wonderful. They keep your feet just nice and toasty. And if you've got like hardwood floors, or if you've got like ceramic tile or something, you know, and these have got the little rubberized little deals here on the bottom so that you don't slide and bust your rear end, because that is not a pleasant thing to do. But these are just absolutely wonderful. So soft, and they wash beautifully. So anyway, I think there was five or six of them in this pack. So yeah, I got the pink ones. Okay, these are another little pair of Muck Lux as well. And I've got actually rolled these down. But these are really, aren't these adorable? They are absolutely beautiful. You got the little fuzzy balls right there. Who doesn't love little fuzzy balls? I think that's probably not appropriate to say, is it? Anyway, they're cute little slippers, y'all. And they've got a really nice little sole on these as well, so you can wear them outside. I haven't worn these yet. All right, so Bath & Body was having their little candle sale going on, so I picked up 8 of them. The one here I've got in my hand is called the Spiced Apple Toddy. It just smells so good. I love the smell of candles, especially this time of the year. Another one is called the Cinnamon Spice Vanilla. And I grabbed the Sugared Snickerdoodle. What are you? The Sweater Weather. This one is really good. I think it was Kate the Great, and she was like, this is like her all-time favorite. And it smells so good. It does smell good. It really does. I'm pretty sure it was Kate that was talking about that. Y'all, I got a hair that is just taunting me tonight. Okay, and then I got the Peach Bellini. Also got a white gardenia. I love the smell of gardenia. Love, love gardenia. This one is called Leaves, and this one right here is Rose. So yeah, I picked up some Bath & Body candles. All right, ladies, so I'm not going to sit here and torture y'all any longer. Hubby is out of town this weekend, and I got my house all cleaned. I got caught up on laundry. I got my chores done, and I thought I'm just going to go in and sit down and do a couple haul videos, you know. And I have been sitting here for hours trying to do 2 videos. Y'all, it's like my mouth and my brain are like running completely opposite ways. I mean, like separate pages, I don't know, but I've struggled so bad tonight. So anyway, if you are still here, thank you so very much for stopping by and hanging out with me. Depending on when you see this video, I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas or had a wonderful Christmas. I want to wish each and every single one of you a fabulous Happy New Year. Thank you. Thank you so very much to all of my beautiful ladies here. I certainly do wish that I could reach out and give every single one of you a hug, because I certainly would. You all have made my year 2019 so very wonderful, so thank you. Ladies, I appreciate each and every one of you, and as always, I wish you all a safe and a wonderful day. Bye.